In this video, I'm going to show you how you can warp text in After Effects. So if you want to warp text in After Effects, I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's create a new composition. Let's create a new composition, and here, just gonna enter here, tutorial warp text. It's very simple, but I think it's very useful if you're looking for, actually looked for on YouTube, to just a short video on how I can do this. Now if I add this text here, I want to add this text here. Let's say this is the text, how to browser. And now I'm gonna move this text here. I'm gonna change the center point. Actually hold Control. If you click on that, is going to reset while holding Command or Control. Now here in the search bar, you're gonna have to write mesh warp. All right, and now I can drag this onto our text, and with this we can warp our text. We can add rows. Let's say I only want to add 2, and then maybe 2 or 3, whatever you want, and then select the mesh, and we have this options, this grid here. Now I can warp our text. Now actually let's add more like this, and now I can grab this and then warp our text. You know, we look. But if you want to, you can even select multiple what they're called anchor points, and now I hold shift, and now if I stop holding shift, I can move. Now I can grab this one here, can grab now this one here, this one, and I'll select this one, and I'll move this one here, and then the other one here, you know. And also do this way. You can create some animations. You can use this towards mesh, and you can add different animations. You can create different animations with this. Now I can reset this, and look, you know, pretty cool. Can now move this here, and I can even make this even faster, you know. And if you want, you can also change the graph, you know, and just you know, position this in a different way. Maybe add speed at the end, you know, something like that, or maybe like this. And or you can also, you could also, let's say, I'm thinking to show you, maybe if you want, you could add another, you could like copy the same keyframes, but yeah, you can do a lot of things. But that's pretty much how you can, warp your text in After Effects. I hope you learned something and you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like this video for more